I think it was a practical.
Myntri ko sarkar jala ba polling do hakasngi ba uloong ba ka jingplie biang ya ka surok Them-iewmawlong kamdan jingyaday bat ka jingpen kan ria ki brio ki basa hakatay ka jaka henry ka david na ka benta banweng ya ka dheng kali kani ka jingkran jong Myntri ka day hadien bami ka jingkan tho nagi kan hon halor ka jingplie biang ya ka tay ka surok kabala kangdam menta la kumba hendus nem AA.
I think it was a practical decision in view of the uh, traffic congestion, the general inconvenience being caused to members of the general public for the past 6 years. I don't see any link between that and the resolution of the current imbroglio vis-a-vis the relocation of the sweepers. In fact, the signal being sent, for the past 6 years, is that things are not in order. That area is a trouble zone. But today we have removed that image by normalizing movement of people and pedestrians and vehicles in that area. So I think it's a very important positive step taken towards decongesting the entire city. You know the traffic scenario as it is today, and it is not at all linked. We have the state government has reiterated time and again that it would resolve this matter, and we are committed to that. The reopening of Them-iewmawlong has nothing to do with the resolution of the issue.